Welcome all, Joey here, and we're finally unboxing this. Yep, so it's the Airbrush compressor that Dave sent me. Here it is. Let's check out the front of the box. This is a Master Airbrush Pro Gravity Feed airbrushing system. Here you go. And all the sides have exactly the same thing. So let's just get right into this. I don't know too much about airbrushes, so bear with me. Alright, we got a manual, or actually it's a, it's an instruction guide to how to airbrush. I will be reading up on this like crazy. Okay, what else do we have in here? So we have some air hose, I think. And okay, everything else is inside. Let's just get this out. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Oh, that dropped. So here is the airbrush. I think that's just a standard, typical airbrush. And we also have some plumber's tape, I would assume. Yeah. Or sealing tape, or I think it's called Teflon tape too. Could be wrong. We also have a valve of sorts. And the compressor itself, which is plastic, and yoink. There it is. Super nifty. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of you. Alright, that's basically it. So, here's all the little things that come with it. Bam. Oh, and this too. There you go. Yep, just wanted to show off, what you could get in this box and everything for all the, newcomers to airbrushing. And I will also be documenting basically what I learned throughout all this because, I'm super newbie at this. I've held like an airbrush, I've tried it before, but I don't know anything. I just messed with it. Yep, so as I learn, I guess I'll try to teach as well, throw out all the facts that I learned. I'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'll see you guys. I will have another unboxing that relates to this one right after this. Bye bye.